Anything else?
1,500 likes, and we're gonna compare that exhaust with the 370Z exhaust, because I think now it's worth it. If you're watching this video, you may think, Danny, do you have like some sort of exhaust problem? I promise I don't. Actually, I probably do. But boys, today's gonna be the last cold start with these big meaty mufflers. Yes, they look really good. That's why I've been like really thinking about this decision that I'm doing, but we're gonna do it. Today we're installing the exhaust I've always wanted for the 300. It's like, this sounds pretty good though. It has like a nice tone, right?
Yeah, it's like really deep.
But today we're gonna take it to like the very next level, dude. Like, I'm excited. Alright, we're gonna enjoy this last drive with the first ever exhaust I put on the 300. Alright, we're good? Alright, we made it. Again, we're at Sebastian's house. I know last video I said I wasn't gonna come anymore because, as you know what happened, we spent 2 days doing the downpipe. If you have not watched that video, go watch it. But I texted him, I said, bro, I'm coming over to install the new exhaust over here. I don't think there's a bumper that's as quick release as mine. This is like 5 minutes.
Why would you do that?
This is gonna be actually a very different unboxing video from other people, so we're gonna go 3, 2, 1. And if you're saying he likes the look of this one better than that one, I don't know about that. Let me know down below. Do you like the little like drop better than this?
Yeah, it has like a little drop, and then it says C1 on the side.
This is a Z1 PG. It's a 3-inch, and it's known to be probably the loudest exhaust out there for 300. So we're just out here chasing the perfect exhaust. I think this is the one though. And the funny thing is, I've been looking for this exhaust way before I found that one over there. And there's like nobody sells this exhaust. So it was actually a hookup from a bro over in New Jersey that has a shop. Actually, there was somebody selling this one in New York, but I guess only like the New York group of the Z's can view it. But he saw that, he texted me, and he hooked it up. So huge shout out to Jackie. Hit up King's Automotive. He'll take care of you. Shout out to you, bro. Let's get this thing started. So we're actually gonna put this Magna Flow. I think that's gonna fit in the middle, straight out the middle.
Oh, you know what? I have two. We can put them in the middle. It look like a Corvette.
Dude, let's do it. All right, we're gonna do that. And just like that, we're back in the air. What we're gonna do, this is what I like doing. We're actually gonna go ahead and make the new exhaust outside and put everything in. Before we do that though, we're gonna go ahead, disconnect the old exhaust right here from the test pipes. So 4 bolts up here, and then we're gonna take out the hangers back there. Then everything comes off, and then we're good. Hey bro, that's my exhaust, don't steal it. Also, I am gonna be selling this HKS exhaust. Just DM me on Instagram, I'll put it up right here. Somebody buys off me, please. It's gonna come in that original box. Actually, it's not an original box. Wait, what? Do you want it for your Audi?
What? The exhaust? Right there. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
These bolts are like, takes 30 minutes to unbolt them, dude.
Try it in there.
Look at how you're getting the angle, dude. Watch it fall on my face. Oh my gosh.
And there it goes. We got Jester next to you. If you need it.
Dude, I am so hyped for this. There's like... Yeah, so we're so excited. Here is a side-by-side. Dude, look at the difference between the mufflers and then these. Yeah. That's crazy.
No, look at the difference between the pipes, dude.
The pipes, this is just so much better quality.
This is gonna sound way better. That's aluminum and that's stainless, dude.
Yeah.
This is gonna...
So it goes from a 2-inch, 2.5 inch, I mean. Yeah, this is 2.5 to 3. That one's a 2.5 to 2.5. So it's definitely gonna be louder, more airflow, more power, faster spooling, and just, it's gonna be so good.
Back pressure, baby. More PSI.
Turbskis. stupid moment. So we obviously put it on backwards, right? Gotta put this upside down, well, the correct way. Because if you can see right now, these are facing down and those are facing up. So yeah, you're right.
It wouldn't line up with the test pipes.
Yeah.
Here you go, that side. Okay, hold on.
Ooh, that's gonna be hard to get on then.
Yeah, it's because of the stupid bracket over here, I think.
Oh, okay. It looks pretty decent. But yeah, definitely that exhaust looks more aggressive.
Yeah, because
The tips are just huge. I mean, like Seabass was saying, it still passes the fist test, but still. I mean, doesn't look bad though.
No, these are like overly big.
Yeah, those are like excessive, dude. Crazy.
Could fit half.
But this is gonna sound so much better. Update on the downpipes and turb skis. They're doing just fine. Look how good that looks, dude. This exhaust looks so much better now. Dude, alright, we finished everything. We were looking for the boost leak. We sort of timed some things out. Because when the car is in boost, it kind of has like a little whistle. So we were trying to fix that. Hopefully we did though. I tightened up like these intakes and same as like the little blow off valves ones. Blow off valves on here. Either way, you guys don't care about that. It's just, you don't care. We're gonna start the car up. Do I have the keys? Where are the keys?
They're in the car.
DJ Khaled has them.
This is gonna sound sick. Wait, can we just take a moment and realize what happened last time I tried starting the car?
Yeah.
What happened?
The
Why-
starter.
Oh,
Why do you have to
hell
bring that
no.
See, why do you have to bring that up?
It sounds louder.
Yeah, right? The idle's so much louder, dude. This is what I wanted. Yes.
It's louder.
Damn. Oh my gosh, we're revving inside. I'm out here. Dude, you can actually hear like the turbo, bro. Yes. This is what we wanted.
It goes whop.
Yeah, and the idle's like a nice, just wah 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 wah. Dude, yes, this is what we wanted since the beginning. Oh, it popped.
That was all the way at 7,000.
Dude.
Oh! Oh, yeah. Anything else? Yo, 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 yo. Yo. Yo.
Dude, how does it sound?
Sounds good.
Good?
It's like a loud whistle.
I know, the whistle's a
Dude, it
freaking-
backfired.
Yeah. My man stalled. Hurry up, there's cars coming. Bro. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's how the car should have sounded from the beginning. Oh my gosh. I'm annoyed that has that little boost leak I told you guys that we couldn't fix it. I'll have to look that up when I get home, but man, that exhaust note, so incredible. As you guys saw, this is basically like a full straight pipe. Like down pipes have no cats, test pipes no cats, H pipe nothing, and then the muffler is basically nothing. So, damn, this is like this is max loud. I think I'm pretty sure this is max loud unless we go like 3-inch. I mean, you only sold once. Brian stalled like 5 times.
No, I stole twice.
Not even twice. twice. I have it on video.
It was twice.
It was not twice.
One here and one over there.
It was 3.
Twice.
It stalled here twice.
Twice?
Yeah.
No.
Twice and one over there.
Did it start twice here? Damn, that's good.
Damn!
I literally just woke up but could not leave you guys with a cold start before ending this video. Honestly, I'm saying this seriously and I feel kind of uncomfortable saying it. I think the Tome has been dethroned. I think the 370Z cold start 100%. I'm pretty sure it's a lot louder. But just the tone of this and the turbo whistle and just the spooling. I don't know, boys. Let me know down below. I'm gonna make a comparison video. If you guys hit the like goal, let's get 1,500 likes. Rate this exhaust from 1 to 10, honestly. I'm really curious to see what you guys have to say about it. That said, smash that like. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. Watch the whole 300zx series. And I'll see you guys next time. Hasta luego.